Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? For as long as humanity has existed, we've been intrigued by the stars and by the idea that there might be something or someone out there. This curiosity has led to countless stories, myths, and legends. But none have captured our collective imagination quite like the phenomenon of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Throughout history, there have been innumerable sightings of these mysterious objects from ancient times to the modern day. These reports come from every corner of the globe, from all walks of life, leaving us with a question that tantalizes as much as it baffles. These objects, seemingly defying our understanding of physics and reality, darting across our skies in the blink of an eye. What could they be? So what are these unidentified objects, and what does science have to say about them? When it comes to UFOs, science takes a more grounded approach. What's in the sky is not always what it seems. Our perception can be influenced by a range of factors, from atmospheric conditions to the power of suggestion. So, let's dive into the scientific explanations behind unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Firstly, let's talk about atmospheric phenomena. Sometimes what people perceive as UFOs are nothing more than tricks of the light or atmospheric conditions. For instance, lenticular clouds, which are lens-shaped clouds that form at high altitudes, can often be mistaken for UFOs due to their unusual saucer-like shape. Then we have the phenomenon of light refraction. This occurs when light passes through layers of air at different temperatures, causing it to bend and form mirages. These mirages can sometimes create illusions in the sky that can be misinterpreted as UFOs. Next, let's delve into man-made objects that could be mistaken for UFOs. Aircraft, especially those of a military nature, can often be mistaken for UFOs. Experimental and classified aircraft are designed to be elusive, and their unconventional designs can often confuse onlookers. Add to this the fact that they can move at high speeds and perform maneuvers that commercial aircraft can't. It's easy to see why they might be mistaken for something out of this world. Satellites, too, can often be mistaken for UFOs. These objects orbiting our planet can catch the sunlight in a way that makes them appear brighter than stars. They can move across the sky in a way that's different from stars and planets, leading some to believe they've spotted a UFO. But what about hoaxes? Yes, unfortunately, not all UFO sightings are genuine. Some are deliberate attempts to deceive, often for attention or financial gain. Advances in technology have made it easier than ever to create convincing UFO footage. From sophisticated computer graphics to simple tricks with light and perspective, there are many ways to create a convincing UFO hoax. However, not all UFO sightings can be explained away by natural phenomena, aircraft, satellites, or hoaxes. Some sightings remain unexplained even after rigorous scientific investigation. These are the sightings that truly pique the interest of scientists and researchers around the world. It's important to remember that unidentified doesn't mean alien. It simply means we don't have enough information to identify what was seen. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet and the universe beyond. But what about those sightings that can't be easily explained away? Some UFO sightings have left even the most skeptical scientists scratching their heads. In the vast cosmos of unexplained phenomena, there are a few UFO cases that stand out, their mysteries uncracked by the cold, hard logic of conventional science. These are the incidents that have become infamous in their refusal to yield to explanation, their details as elusive as the objects they involve. Take, for instance, the Roswell incident of 1947, a case that has become synonymous with UFO conspiracy theories. Something crashed in the New Mexico desert, and while the official explanation was a weather balloon, many still believe it was something more, something otherworldly. Then there's the Belgium UFO wave in the late 80s, when thousands of people reported sightings of a triangular object in the sky. Despite the large number of witnesses, no concrete evidence was ever found, and the incident remains a mystery. And who can forget the Phoenix Lights incident of 1997? For hours, a series of lights appeared over Arizona, observed by thousands of people. Yet despite the sheer scale of the sighting, no satisfactory explanation has ever been given. These cases, among others, continue to defy conventional scientific understanding. They're sources of intrigue, fascination, and for some, a hint of something beyond our comprehension. They've sparked countless investigations, theories, and debates, yet concrete evidence remains elusive. Is it because these incidents truly involve phenomena from beyond our world? Or is it because our understanding of the world is still limited, our scientific tools still developing? Perhaps these unexplained sightings are not so much about what's out there in the cosmos, but about what's here on Earth. Our perception, our understanding, our desire to know and explore. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. While these cases remain unexplained, they do not necessarily prove the existence of extraterrestrial life. After all, a mystery is not evidence of the unknown, but a challenge to our understanding. And who knows what breakthroughs these challenges might inspire? The question remains, could these unexplained UFO sightings be evidence of extraterrestrial life? It's an intriguing thought, one that has simultaneously captivated and confounded humanity for centuries. But what does science have to say about it? Well, in order to answer that, we first need to understand what conditions are necessary for life as we know it. The parameters are quite specific. A suitable environment would need to be within the habitable zone of its star, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. Moreover, the presence of key elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, often humorously abbreviated as CH-NOPS, is essential for the formation of life, at least in the way we understand it. But here's the thing, the universe is vast, incredibly so. In the observable universe alone, there are estimated to be more than 100 billion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. And recent research suggests that planets might be even more common than stars. So, even if the conditions required for life are extremely specific, the sheer number of planets out there suggests that it's not only possible, but statistically likely, that some of these planets meet these conditions. Scientists are actively searching for these planets. NASA's Kepler mission, for instance, has discovered more than 2,000 confirmed exoplanets, with nearly 3,000 more candidates awaiting confirmation. Some of these exoplanets are located in their star's habitable zone and have the potential to harbor life. But let's be clear, possibility is not the same as certainty. We have yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, despite the tantalizing clues and unexplained phenomena. The search for life beyond Earth is ongoing, a thrilling testament to human curiosity and our pursuit of knowledge. However, until we have concrete proof, the existence of extraterrestrial life remains a possibility, not a certainty. In the end, the UFO mystery continues to intrigue us. The allure of the unknown, the promise of discovery, the thrill of the chase, these are the elements that keep us hooked to the enigma of unidentified flying objects. Throughout this discussion, we've traversed the landscape of scientific exploration, delving into the physics and technology that have propelled our understanding of UFOs. We've seen how science has played a pivotal role in investigating these phenomena, providing us with tools and methodologies to scrutinize and analyze these sightings with a critical eye. We've examined some of the most compelling UFO sightings, instances that have left even seasoned experts scratching their heads in bewilderment. We've seen how these unexplained occurrences challenge our preconceived notions and push us to broaden our horizons, to think outside the box and consider possibilities we might otherwise dismiss. We've also pondered the tantalizing prospect of extraterrestrial life. We've considered the vastness of the cosmos, the billions upon billions of stars, each potentially hosting a system of planets. We've reflected on the growing body of evidence suggesting that life, in some form, might indeed exist elsewhere in the universe. But despite our best efforts, despite the advancements in technology, and our growing understanding of the universe, the UFO phenomenon remains largely a mystery. There are still sightings that defy explanation, still phenomena that elude our understanding. It's a reminder that we still have much to learn. It's a humbling testament to the enormity of the cosmos and the limits of our current knowledge. But it's also a testament to our indomitable spirit of inquiry, to our relentless pursuit of truth. Until we have definitive answers, the sky above continues to be a source of mystery and wonder. Who knows what discoveries await us in the cosmos?